Deep in the Ocean, written by Natalie Roppenblatt. Focus question: how would you describe the deep ocean and what lives there? Deep underwater. Imagine a trip to the deepest part of the ocean. What would you expect to see? Would it be dark or light? Would it be warm or cold? Would you find strange new animals and plants? Sunlight warms the surface or shallow parts of the ocean. Plants and animals that need sunlight and warm water live there. Deep in the ocean, other animal lives in the water that's cold and dark. Diving deep in the ocean. The deep ocean is freezing cold. The wave or water pressure is very deep. Water can harm you. Sport divers with air tank for safety. Deep diver with a special diving suit. Scientists ride in a small submarine called a submersible. Oceanographers. Scientists who study the ocean are called oceanographers. They often live for months on a ship. Some study what a sea animal eats and where it sleeps. Using a satellite or tracking. Satellites can help to track some things. So it can help to track sea animals travel. Sun tracks some animals. A satellite can track the signal from the tag. The signal shows where the animals goes. Counting the sea animals. What animal lives in the ocean? Where do they live? How many are there? Oceanographers studied and counted animals for 10 years to find out. The surprising report is called the Census of Marine Life. The Census of Marine Life. The first surprise was where things live. Everywhere. Marine species live in the hottest and coldest place. Some species live in the deep places without light or oxygen, living in hot and cold water. The very cold deep ocean zone has a hot volcano in it. The water temperature of the volcano can be 400 C, 755 S. Some species of shrimp, crabs, worms, and bacteria live in very hot water. Huge groups of Arctic sea life water whales also found living in the freezing water. Some species of squid, cod, and jellyfish live under solid ice that is 700 meters, 2,296 feet thick. What did we learn? The marine census count over 230,000 species. Over 6,000 new species have never been seen before. Some creatures will see through. Some have warning lights that turn on and off. Others have long feelers instead of eyes. What else lives in the deep ocean? Scientists keep finding new species and new facts. They think that only 1/4 of all marine life has been counted. So there are many more surprises to come. Explore more. Learn more about the census of marine life. A decade of the discovery. Go to the website at www.com. Each week, new discoveries are added to the marine census project using a map on Google Earth. www.conference.com. Source census on Google Earth. On the internet, search terms that deep sea species, navy branch, blind lobster on National Oceanography. Glossary: marine of or relating to the sea. Oceanographers, scientists who study the ocean and everything in it. Species, groups of living things that are physically similar and protected. Submersibles, a small vessel that can operate underwater, especially at deep level. Tag, to put a label on the object to tell something about the object, show that who owns it all where it belongs. Water brothers, the point the water puts an object. Connection, writing, when you want to be an oceanographer when you grow up, why or why not? Write a paragraph using details when I take you support your answers. Science, choose to research the animals that live in the deep ocean. Create a poster, color picture, and list interesting facts about the animals in its habitat.